A quick one. There is something that I just saw that attract me. It's so moving and it's touching. I need you guys to watch this and see how a man rescues somebody from underground train. Just watch how this man rescued this guy. I'm telling you, people, I don't know whether the guy is sick or drunk or mistakenly fell into that place. But we need to watch. Let's see how this guy did it, because this is a miraculous. God is great. When I say God is great, God is great. That is why it is good to serve God. Serve God. Maybe this guy, I'm telling you, has really prayed today that God sent somebody to rescue. Watch how this guy was rescued. A little while that train, I'm telling you, you need to watch. You see, these are alive, eh? These are alive. God is still interested in it. But I need you to watch. Make it no be lesson. Everyone they talk. We're gonna watch. We're gonna take on an eye. See this thing. Oh my God! Thank God. Oh, watch and see, and I will see you ASP. Bye.